How to private your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can private your Facebook account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in a search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, now in order to make our account private, we will simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you log in, you can basically see that this is how the interface is going to look like. Now the very first thing you have to understand is that just unlike TikTok and unlike Instagram, there isn't directly only just one toggle which you can use in order to make your account private or public. Facebook does not really allow that. Instead, on Facebook, how it works is that you have to customize and choose each of the options very carefully as to what you want to make private and what you do not want to make private, or what you want to make it public. Well, in that case, what we will do is, first of all, we will simply go to the menu page, which is on the top right corner of the screen. As we go to the menu page, we are going to scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find settings and privacy. Select settings and privacy, and we're going to select privacy shortcuts. Once you select privacy shortcuts and then come to this page, you can also see these three dots which is see more privacy settings. So go ahead and tap on see more privacy settings. Once you've done that, you can see it says check a few important settings. Now you have to simply go ahead and customize all of these options manually. For example, you can see your activities if you want to make private, or how people can find and contact you, and many other options if you go to managing your profile options and so on. But in order to make it private, you can see it says who can see your future posts. Well, you could select who can see your future posts, and then you could set it to see more, and then you could set it to only me if you want to make it private. You could come back and you could see who can see your past posts. Then you can limit your past posts as to what kind of audience will be able to see it. And the other thing also, who can see the people, pages and lists you follow, which basically means your following list and so on. Come back and who can see your stories. Of course, you want to make that to private as well. Once you come back, you can also see who can find and contact you. Well, that applies to who can send you friend requests, who can see your friends list, who can look you up using the email address you provided, and who can look you up using the phone number you provided. And do you want search engines to scroll outside of Facebook to link to your profile? We'll customize all of these settings manually. If you go ahead and check a few important settings, you could also go ahead and browse through all of these if you want to make your account private. But as I said earlier, there isn't a definitive toggle in order to make your account private. You have to simply go ahead and then follow all of these options manually. And this is how you could very easily make your account private on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.